Introducing the 9420 LED work light. Quick release collar allows legs to deploy and instantly lock into position. With a 62-inch telescopic mast, light is spread evenly over the entire work area. The Peli 9420 throws out a blinding 1000 lumens for over 2 hours on high, or use the low setting for a long 4 hours of burn time at over 500 lumens. The head-mounted on-off switch is conveniently located and controls high-low output, as well as the battery level indicator. Quick release batteries recharge in 2 hours for continuous running. Water-resistant IP67 light head, engineered Peli Tough. The Peli 9420 is available in 2 models, the standard and the XL version. The XL comes with an extra power pack battery, shoulder strap, vehicle charger and a convenient carrying case. The Peli 9420 LED work light. Super bright, fast setup, fast swap battery and a long runtime.